Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. All right, so today's look is another holiday inspired makeup look. I decided to go with green today just because I haven't done something like this for the holidays. And yeah, I also used a palette that I know a lot of people may already have. I use the Jaclyn Hill palette, but if you guys don't own that palette, this palette right here from Rimmel London will be also a good option for you guys if you guys can't get your hands on that one right now. And if you do, follow along with me. And if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, just keep on watching. All right, so we're just gonna jump right in. I already filled in my brows, as you can see. I'm gonna add a little bit of this LA Girl Pro Conceal to the lids so we can use this as our eyeshadow base. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have been into like coming up with all different types of holiday looks. I'm just so into it. I love the looks that I've been coming up with. And today is no different. I was looking through my videos and I was like, all right, you know what? I think it's time for a green look. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette just because I feel like a lot of more people will have more access to this palette. So I'm gonna go in with, see, we're just jumping into it today. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I don't know the name of it, you guys. I'm sorry, I threw out that little cardboard thing, but I'm gonna go in with this shade first. Oh wait, no, I'm not. I have to add tape because I feel like when I use tape, it's just, my looks come out a lot better. I don't know. So I'm just going to apply tape really quick. All right, so now that the tape is on, I'm gonna go in with that shade, which is this one right here. And I'm just grabbing a BH Cosmetics brush. It's kind of like a little thin blending brush. It's part of the BH Cosmetics Marble set. And this is the number 9 brush. So I'm just gonna grab that shade and use that as our transition color. And don't worry if it's messy, because we are going to fix it. Don't worry. It always looks messy at first, so. Next, I'm gonna go in with this dark foresty green shade right here. And I'm grabbing my Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush. This is the E45. And I'm just going to start applying this literally right here on the outer V. And I'm also working this right into like the socket. Like just sticking that right in there. What I like about this brush is that it's so precise. It has like that tip, but you can also blend it at the same time. All right, so for the next shade, what I'm gonna do is I'm taking a flat brush and I'm grabbing some of my dewy setting spray. It doesn't have to be dewy or anything. It's just, you know, a setting spray or water. Just spray your brush. Okay, and we're going to grab this pretty green shimmer shade right here, and we're going to apply that on the lid. All right, so I'm gonna go back in with that first brush that we used, and I'm just blending up here and just smoothing everything out. Now I'm gonna grab a clean blending brush and I'm just going to blend on top of everything that I just blended with no product. All right, so at this point I'm a little undecisive. I don't know if I want to go in with this gold right here or a little bit of this lighter shade onto the inner corner. I think I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade, and I'm just going to apply that right here. It's gonna brighten it up a little bit. Now that I removed the tape, I am going to clean up a little bit and apply some lashes, and once I'm done, I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, I applied my lashes. Absolutely love them. These I've been obsessed with. These are the Ardell 3D Faux Mink 854 lashes. I bought these at CVS in case you were curious. I don't know where else they have them, but that's where I bought mine. And also I removed the fallout, and that is pretty much it. So now moving on to primer. So for primer today, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier primer. Just because I have some dry patches, I did apply some moisturizer before anything, you know, before the video and everything. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the Laura Mercier primer just for additional moisturizer. I mean hydration, you know what I mean. Just because right here I have a patchiness right here, I applied a mask and it dried out my little breakout that I was, you know, getting. You guys already know, another primer, and this is the NYX Pore Filling Primer. It is so weird how this comes out. It literally like shoots out at you in like clumps, but it does work. So if you are looking for a pore filling primer, an affordable one, NYX is a good one. For foundation, I'm going to go in with this one from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And to apply that, I'm going to go in with this brush from BH Cosmetics. Love this brush. It's just such a good brush. For concealer, I'm going to go in with this one from Makeup Revolution, and this is in the shade C8. I'm grabbing this other brush from the BH Cosmetics kit, and I'm just blending out the concealer. To contour, I'm also grabbing this Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and this is in the shade F13. And to blend that out, I'm grabbing this Real Techniques, what is this, foundation brush, buffing brush, and just blending that out. I'm going to go back in with that foundation brush, and I'm just like buffing everything out. Even the nose and everything. To set my under eye today, I'm gonna grab a little bit of my Coty Airspun powder. I usually put that in this little container because if I use the big one, it just gets all over the place. So I'm just grabbing a little bit of that, tapping it off with my favorite setting brush. This is from Real Techniques. To set that cream contour, I'm gonna go in with my favorite Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow. And also grabbing my brush from that set from BH Cosmetics. And just applying that. I'm also going to grab a little bit more of my Airspun powder and just bake underneath that cream contour. Alright, so I'm gonna allow this to bake for a little bit, and while I let that sit and do its job, I'm gonna grab this shade right here, this brown here, and I'm gonna grab a Morphe M321 brush. And I mean, you can grab the forest green and just apply that on the lower lash line, but I think I wanna do brown. So I'm just gonna grab this brown and apply that on the lower lash line. For the waterline, I'm going to go in with this one from Rimmel London. This is the eye definer, right? Yes, this is the eye definer in the shade In the Nude. And that's just going to help open up the eyes a little bit. Now I'm going to grab just any brush and just remove that bakage. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with some mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Telescopic. I'm also going to add a little bit more of this shade onto the inner corner just because I want to bring more light into this inner corner right here, because why not? You see? Just got to make that pop, you know? Since we got this beautiful green, this dark green and everything, I want to make the inner corner pop. For blush, I'm going to go in with this one from Too Faced. This is like a nice coral shade of a blush. And I'm grabbing a brush that looks like this. I got this from TJ Maxx. It's part of a Kenzie line. And bringing that onto the cheek and then bringing it back to where the contour is. Just like that. For lips, I'm going to use this lip liner from LA Girl, and this is the LA Girl Ultimate Lip Intense Stay Auto Lip Liner in Forever Bare. I feel like this is more of a peachy nude, so I don't know. I think I want to do, I mean, it looks good. I just want to go for a little bit, maybe more of a darker shade. All right, so for lipstick, I'm going to go in with this one from LA Girl. This is a matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Snuggle. And to top that off, I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. We can't forget about highlighter, you guys, so I'm going to go in with this one. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Platinum Bar. This is a limited edition highlighter, and this is called Winter Bloom. And to apply that, I'm going to grab this brush from also the BH Cosmetics Marble kit. This is the number 5. I absolutely love this brush. Oh my god. Do you see this highlight? Holy crap. Ooh, I gotta go and blend that out a little bit because I feel like I OD'd. Do I have enough highlighter? Should I add a little bit more? Ooh. Ooh, so gorgeous. Absolutely love it. All right, so now to finish off the look, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Spray and set the face, and that is it. All right, guys, so this is the final look right here. What do you guys think? Do you hate it? Do you love it? Do you not care for it? Or what are your opinions? I don't know. But also leave me a suggestion down below letting me know what you guys want to see next for my next holiday look. I do have another video coming up, so let me know what you guys want to see. Maybe a different color. I don't know. Give me some ideas. I would love to hear them. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.